Hello, good people. Today it's time to record and produce some bass. We're gonna keep it pretty simple, pretty easy, and I'm gonna give you my best advice when it comes to the programming. Okay, so let's dive into the studio. Okay, so of course we're using Logic, and I have some bass in this plugin called the Kontakt Player, and it's called the Rickenbacker bass. You will get this in different packages when it comes to native instruments. It's a very good bass, let's just say that. Okay, so we're gonna use that sound. Yeah. And we're gonna put a click in. So we're gonna start with just recording and try to see if we can find a good vibe for everything, okay? Like that. So this is what we have here. Okay, not too bad, not too good. So we want to try to make this bass as fat as possible. And there are millions of ways to make bass fat. One of the ways that I like is to simply duplicate the bass maybe 2 times and treat that channel differently. So we're gonna send this bass. We do it here on the send. We're gonna send it to another channel. Let's say bus 10. And the bus 10 will then also pick up my bass. Okay. So there it is, number 10, the bus number 10. And we will name this maybe bass parallel. So we're gonna listen to this bass. Maybe we can just listen to it in solo and then try to change the pitch of the bass a little bit. Let's see what we have here. Vocal transformer, okay. We're gonna change the pitch. And also the format, the shape of the... Okay, so the sound is very different. Both basses together, both sounds together, both signals together would be like this. Okay, so what we want to do here on the parallel chain is to change it a little bit more, maybe add some distortion and take away a lot of the low end on the sound. So let's try that. I'm using an EQ, and this is called, yeah, do you know what it's called? The low cut or the high pass filter. And then we're gonna add some distortion as well. Okay, maybe we take away some more of the bass and add a little more of the high end. Okay, so we have it like this. Okay, so it's much fatter, yeah? That's not bad. It's not too bad. But what we want to do now is to really add some magic with the parallel chain. Okay, so we want to spread the parallel chain, which has more information in the high end area as the first one. And we want to put that on some kind of a stereo, with a stereo effect, which makes it more wide. Okay, so there are millions of ways to do that. One of the simplest ways is really to add a sample delay. And then you can shift the left side a little bit and the right side to something else. You have to listen when you change these knobs, because you can really end up in a phase issue, and you don't want to do that. We can talk about phase in another video. Okay, so we have shifted the left 109 samples and the right side of the chain of this channel 246 samples. Okay, so we all wonder, how will this sound together? Is it wide? Is it fat? Yeah. So this is just a simple way of making a bass fatter, wider, and just bigger. And it all depends on the context, but we will focus today. We have focused today on just programming one bass at a time in a single mode way. All right, so that's all for today. I'm gonna change my cameras, which I have here. Where are they? Yeah. So you only see me. Okay, so that was all for today. If you like what I do, subscribe, and you know what to do. See you in another video. Take care. Bye bye.